It is one of the most mysterious regions on Earth, an area of the ocean where ships and planes have vanished without a trace. For decades, scientists, explorers, and conspiracy theorists alike have tried to uncover the truth. What is really happening inside the Bermuda Triangle? The legend of the Bermuda Triangle stretches back centuries. Early sailors told eerie tales of ships disappearing, compasses spinning wildly, and strange lights in the sky. Christopher Columbus himself, in 1492, recorded unusual compass readings and a great flame of fire crashing into the sea. Were these natural occurrences, or was something more sinister at play? One of the most baffling disappearances was that of the USS Cyclops in 1918. A massive U.S. Navy cargo ship, the Cyclops was carrying over 300 men and thousands of tons of manganese ore when it left Barbados, heading for Baltimore. But it never arrived. There was no distress call, no wreckage, no survivors. The USS Cyclops simply vanished. The U.S. Navy called it one of the strangest mysteries in the annals of the Navy. Perhaps the most famous Bermuda Triangle mystery is that of Flight 19. On a routine training mission over the Atlantic, 5 experienced pilots set out from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, never to return. Despite extensive searches, neither the planes nor their pilots were ever found. The most chilling part? A rescue plane sent to search for them also disappeared without a trace. The disappearances didn't stop with Flight 19. Over the decades, more ships and planes would vanish, including the SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963 and a Piper Navajo plane carrying a pilot and 6 passengers in 1976. Loved ones would wait for news that never came. No wreckage, no bodies, just silence. One theory suggests that magnetic anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle interfere with navigation. Some believe this is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, causing compasses to malfunction and leading ships and planes astray. Another scientific explanation involves methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor. If a large bubble of methane were to burst, it could lower the water's density, causing ships to sink instantly. Could this explain why wreckage is never found? Recent satellite data suggests that rogue waves, giant, unpredictable waves reaching up to 100 feet, could be responsible. In a single moment, such a wave could capsize a ship or bring down an aircraft. Sometimes, the simplest explanation is the most likely. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the busiest maritime and air traffic zones in the world. Sudden storms, human error, and a vast, unforgiving ocean may be the real reasons behind these disappearances. Despite the fear and fascination, many of the so-called mysteries have logical explanations. Some ships lost were old and poorly maintained. Flight 19 was flying in bad weather with pilots unfamiliar with the area, and statistics show that no more planes or ships disappear here than in any other heavily traveled part of the ocean. But behind every theory and every scientific study are real people, families who lost loved ones, never knowing what truly happened. Even as science explains much of the mystery, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate our imagination. Is there something we're still missing? Or is the legend itself what truly keeps this mystery alive?